Hello and welcome to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare Pro products, its usage and its services. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate you some of the gentle exercises for shoulder pain relief. Shoulder pain can be nagging and can affect your ability to do day-to-day tasks. With the help of gentle range of motion exercises for shoulder, you can ease out your shoulder pain. The shoulder exercises that I'm going to demonstrate in today's video are gentle range of motion exercises meant for pain relief and prevention of stiffness. These exercises can be done when your pain is acute. But make sure that while doing these exercises, there shouldn't be increase in pain. You have to do these exercises in pain-free range. So, without wasting any due time, let's have a look at shoulder pain relief exercises. Let's begin. Exercise number 1 is shoulder rotation. Make sure to sit erect and rotate your shoulders clockwise and anticlockwise. Make sure to do 5 repetitions for both the rotations. Exercise number 2 is shoulder shrugging exercise. For this, sit erect and lift your shoulders and bring it near your ears. Make sure to do 5 repetitions to 10 repetitions of this exercise. Exercise number 3 is shoulder retraction exercise. For this, again sit erect. Keep the hands in front of your body and then retract your shoulders backward. You can do this for 5 repetitions. Next exercise is called as shoulder external and internal rotation. For this, sit erect and then support your arm with the help of other hand. Then move your hand inside and outside. Make sure to do this for 5 repetitions. And the last exercise is shoulder pendulum exercise. In this exercise, you have to hang your hand and move it front and back, side to side and in circular motion in a way that it moves and looks like a pendulum. Make sure to move the body and hand in synchronization. Do this exercise for 5 repetitions each for each movement. So friends, these were some gentle shoulder pain relief exercises. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.